remember, we'll be working on scalps and zones and gaps in the first part of the day. Remember, zones are 1.5% allocation, scalps are 5, and gaps are 5. Or that's what I'm doing. You guys can do whatever you want, just be consistent with it. But remember, we're still in the early phases of this this zone rollout of that methodology, and I don't want to go into too heavy into it to start off. We're opening up in 15 seconds here, and we will see what's happening. Hope everybody had a nice evening last night. All right, here we go. There's your bell. A little bit. I mean, we're slightly off the lows.